How's it going, YouTube? I'm just gonna show you how to make your exhaust look new again. Oh, that's hot. Okay, that's the left side currently, and that's what the right side is without being touched. Right. Ooh, tripod sucks. Right, there we go. So, I'm gonna show you how to get to this. Now this is half-assing it, by the way. I didn't get the inside out, whatever. There's no point of cleaning the inside of the exhaust because, let's be honest, carbon buildup is a bitch. But for this, I'm going to show you what you need. Everybody needs one of these microfiber cloths, simple things. Nice and clean one, right? You'll need metal sheath scrubber, right? There we go. Okay. Other than that, simple things like soap and water. All right. Sprayer to get it clean first before you actually end up polishing it with aluminum polish. Now this one is Mother's. All right. Mother's aluminum metal polish. Okay, now let's get started. First thing you want to do, of course, if you have a dirty rag lying around, it'd be a lot better because you don't want to dirty up the new clean pristine microfiber cloth. Right? You want to spray on that, on the rag, some soap and water, and just overall just clean the tip. Very, very simple. Clean the edges of the inner tip. Alright, super easy. All this shit that I just picked up so quick. Now give it a nice clean. Don't half-ass it, otherwise the finish might not be what you want it to be. From there, just rip up some of your metal sheet cloth. Just start scrubbing it. Now at this point, I'm just thinking, shit, I should have taken a before and after picture. But magic of freeze frame is really nice. Now, not a lot of people, hopefully not a lot of people, look at the exhaust tips and say, that looks fucking good. But it's nice to see a nice clean exhaust. That's what she said, I guess. But it makes the car look cleaner. Not super clean unless you detail the crap out of it the same day you drove it, but let's say brand new car finish in a way. Right. Now, I'm going to grab that dirty rag and spray it down again with soap and water. Of course, clean off the excess of whatever remains. Okay, picked up a lot again. Alright. And once you clean that again, start scrubbing. Shouldn't take much longer. It's already getting there. Now once we polish this, it's gonna look much better. Now if you're OCD like me, make sure to get the inner tip as well to make it extra clean looking. Right. Again, dirty rag. Nice little wipe here and there. Now, for from here, once you actually wiped off the excess filaments of whatever's left over from that, was that steel wool sheet, I guess you could say. Get some of the Mothers or any other company, it doesn't matter. Just make sure it's aluminum polish, possibly Meg one, Meg and aluminum. I don't know what Meg is for, but somebody probably will tell me down in the comments below. Now, don't cheap out. Get as much of it as you want, unless you wanted to make this. Oh shit. Oh, there it is. Well, that's a waste. Now I won't be able to put the camera the same way. There we go. That's somewhat similar. Just start going ham. It's already picking up extra shit. I don't want that on my plastic. Alright. Just keep going as long as you go for. The longer you go, I mean, the better it will look. Now, I don't know if this stuff is bad for your skin or not. It doesn't really say on it. But I probably should be wearing gloves. But let's be honest, who cares? Get more, just keep going ham on it. One day she'll shine. Just don't give up. Of course, don't be shy of getting more if you need to. Honestly, it's like $10 a tub, and it doesn't really matter as long as the finish is nice for me. Oh shit. Whoops. I don't know if this stuff is bad for plastic or not. Now, no hand tools, of course, because not everybody has hand tools. Doing this freehand. Keep your tips clean, ladies and gentlemen. Wear a condom. Look at that shine. Wow. Whoa, is that the same tip? Alright, sorry about that. Side commentary, I guess. Just gonna keep going ham on it. As the Arabs like to say, haram! Ooh, that actually worked pretty well. The more you know. Now let's get that one little lip nice and shiny. I'm sweating. It's freaking hot out here. Fucking birds won't let me. Leave me alone. Okay, that looks pretty good, in my opinion. Okay. Somewhat shiny, really freaking smooth. Last thing there is left to do, try to find a nice clean area on your cloth. So it'll be pretty hard. You're taking off a bunch of carbon buildup and road debris off. Somewhat clean enough. And buffer off, bud. Whew! She shines like glass. Look at that. Ain't that something? Makes the other side kind of look like shit, because the other side was half-fasted compared to this other one. And that'll do. Well, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you didn't, it's okay. That's the point of YouTube. Procrastinate anyways, right? So, but yeah, that's how you get your exhaust shiny. There we go. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment if you liked it. I'm not going to be one of those people. If you liked it, like the video. If you disliked it, dislike it. Leave a comment, suggestions, anything, doesn't matter. You could just say wobbaloo if you wanted to. Doesn't really matter. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.